In this video, I'm going to show you how to play with friends on Among Us. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your Among Us and click on the Friends section at the top right of your screen. So as you can see in here, in this section, you'll be able to find your Among Us friends list. You can invite them to play by clicking on that Send Invite button, represented by a message with a green plus icon. Now, another way to invite them to play is through going to the play section by clicking on the play button. Now, and here, go ahead and click on the online. And here, go ahead and click on find game on the Republic. You can also host a game by clicking on create game. And here, go ahead and look for a group where you can join. Now, and here, go ahead and click on that phone icon at the top right of your screen and click on friends list. Now, and here, go ahead and click on that game invite button and send that game invite to your friend. You can also invite your friends to the game by copying the game code. To do this, go ahead and close this section. Now copy the room code and send this to your friend. Now for your friend to be able to join to this room, what she or he can do is to go ahead and head over to the play section and click on the enter code under private. Click on that enter code, and in this section, go ahead and paste the room code that your friends sent you. Click on the next section to be able to proceed on entering the room. And that is how you can simply play with friends on Among Us. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.